Okay.
Science, the central idea, sorry, I repeat again. Science, the central idea is that the students obtains learning as if he were discovering the world. It is a learning teaching method that is more used in children. In this type of learning, it's the students who develops in class through participation, and the teacher is only limited to being a mediator, giving the necessary tools to the students and obtaining the learning in autonomous way. Uh, we can see the models to discovery method. Inductive discovery, it is the learning that the students must learn through their own investigation. In other words, the problem which the student brain is learning through must be solved. Okay. In this method, we can watch the uh, three models of discovery the learning: an active model, iconic model, and symbolic model. An active model is based on learning through the manipulation of objects. It can be the toys and books, and depend the that you have in class, the materials that teacher use. Iconic model is learning occurs through the perceptions and observation of the students. A symbolic model, this learning occurs through abstract concepts such as an ideal and indefined concept. The, the next method is modeling method. Modeling method is a learning method than a procedure that is not very complex. Why? Because a model learning is presented, then it's explained to students how to develop it. So that learners can match or improve the model present. We can we can we can watch the types of modeling learning. For example, pure imitation. These types imply the exact imitation of the present model. But there is something curious about this. The students doesn't always understand the model well. Well, that is, the students imitate the model, but in many cases doesn't understand itself. One example in this type of this can be seen when they want to imitate the singing of a song in foreign language. This is a very fun example of these types. In, for example, the song is "We're not gonna take it, we're not gonna take it." Yes, this is the letter of song by that is made for the band rock band Twister Sisters. But Spanish speaking people pronouncing the huevos con aceite, que in English is eggs with oil. This is fun for me. Yeah. The next type is verbal modeling. This type modeling orally, in which the teacher explains orally an example of how to solve problems according to the lesson. I know the the explanation wasn't very clear, but now I explained with an example. The example is, you imagine the class of the day refers to debate. The teacher gives you an examples in which he talks about the pros and cons of a topic of the students. When the students listen, can already think about the way he will act and can excuse according to what he has to debate. Well, something like would be verbal modeling. Another type is observation of living model. As its time says, it's a direct observation of a living model of what the student observes. This can be values habits among another social actions, maybe excite the student's environment. Well, as you could see in these examples, the idea of these methods is precisely to mold the learning of what is taught not only in the area English, but is developed according to the course. Well, that's all. Thanks. Bye.